Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to show you how you can do a partition in your computer. It's a very simple and very easy method. Follow me till the end so that you can learn. Suppose we wanna open our PC, my computer. Here you can see we have two disks, two hard drives, disk C and disk D. So we are going to make another disk here by the name of disk E. So it's a very simple and easy way. Just click into Windows Start menu, right click it and go to disk management. Here we are going to make our partition. We have here disk C and disk D. So we don't do anything to disk C, so we are going to do partition with our disk D. Just right click on it and click shrink volume. Wait. Here the total size of our disk is this much, and we are going to select the amount of disk that we are going to do partition. Suppose we are going to do a 3 GB partition. We are going to type 3000 MB. Then click shrink. See, here we have shrinked, or we have parted our disk D. 2.93 GB is allocated. Still it is not usable because you can see here the color is black. So to make it usable, we have to right click on it, then click new sample volume, then click next, click again next. So this will be the name of our disk. Also you can change the name from here, we can choose any letter from here, but I think letter is good. Then click next, finish. Now see, our disk is made. Now if we go to our PC, you can see our new disk, hard drive. So it's totally empty. So now that you have made this disk, so I will show you how you can delete it if you don't need. So how you can delete. Just click start menu, actually right click in the start menu, click disk management. Here our new disk that we have made, just right click on it and click delete volume, press yes. So our disk is deleted, but still it is not added to our disk D. So to do it, right click on disk D, click extend value, click next, and then finished. Now you can see that disk D is totally removed from here, and local disk D, and it is added to local disk E. If we click my computer or my PC, you can see disk E is totally removed from here. This is all from this video. If you have any question, you can comment on the comment section and you can ask your question. So see you later till next video. Also, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. I really need your support. Thank you very much. See you later.